You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video, we are making the exhaust flange. Exhaust piping for the KA turbo. This was 3.5 down to 2.5. Actually needed 3, so went ahead and got our coupler adapter. We're gonna weld to the V-band, and this is gonna weld to it, and then I have a 2.5 pipe coming off, dumping the dump pipe. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna get this welded up and we put it on turbo, see where we're at, and get this motor put in the car. Perfect. Alright guys, this video went a little bit longer than I anticipated, but it's fine. As you can see, progress is being made. Alright, so start off with starter. It is in place. Harness is hooked up. Pull this out of the way. The downpipe for the turbo, we started welding that up. Everything else is pretty much buttoned up. I still need to find the bolts for the distributor. That's my problem right now. We still got to time it anyway, or adjust as we see fit. Front bumper bar is on, radiator mocked up, and intercooler. We're just gonna have to weld some brackets onto this to hold intercooler in place. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. So here we are. Progress is being made. Hopefully this weekend it'll be in the car. Next week we start. Oh no, it's always a little problem. I gotta go get one of these from AutoZone. This one's cracked. It's a coolant line. So, but hey, appreciate y'all. Thank you. Don't forget to get your merch so we can get this done. All right, get them sweatshirts out of the house. All right, we have pink ones for the ladies also. So, appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna finish up a little stuff here off camera.